Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix HP laptop keeps disconnecting from docking station, USB-C, power and firmware troubleshooting. To quickly fix your HP laptop disconnecting from its dock, perform a hard reset, update your laptop's BIOS, chipset and dock firmware via the HP software and driver downloads portal and disable USB selective suspend in your Windows power options. Here is a step-by-step guide to tackling dropouts and disconnects. Fix 1. Hard reset and power settings. For hard reset, disconnect all devices from the laptop and dock, then turn off the laptop, unplug the dock/charger, and hold the laptop power button for 15 seconds to clear residual power and then reconnect. Disable USB selective suspend. Simply go to Control Panel, in it tap on Power Options, then click Change Plan Settings, then tap on Change Advanced Power Settings, and expand USB settings and disable the USB selective suspend settings for both on battery and plugged in. Fix 2. Update BIOS and drivers. For BIOS and chipset, download and install the latest versions from the HP software and driver downloads page for your specific laptop model. For dock firmware, search for your exact docking station model on the support website and install the latest firmware which is known to fix compatibility issues. Fix 3. BIOS workarounds advanced. Restart your laptop and tap the F10 key to enter the BIOS menu. In the BIOS menu, go to Systems or Power Management and then disable fast charge and runtime power management. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.